Hey kiddos. I just wanted to make a video and check in with you all about how I will be communicating with you. Hopefully you had a good as possible spring break at home. Hopefully you and your families are well. I'm lucky to be home with my family and we are all safe and well. I'm available via email pretty much all day, most days. So please feel free if you have any questions to shoot me an email. I know I've been a little bit out of touch for these last couple weeks just because there's been so much uncertainty about what's happening, especially with the IB exam. I just wanted to let you know that Lincoln High School did ask for an extension from the IBO for the IA submissions. That was granted, and then it was revoked. And so the entire world is having to submit their IAs. Typically, IAs are the scores that I assess your IAs at are given, and then the IBO does a little boop, 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 boop sort of thing, and picks like 5 or 6 samples just to make sure their grading expectations are in line with how I'm assessing your work. And that was not what they're saying they're doing now. So because they are canceling the IB exams, everyone's IAs are going to be submitted and rescored by IB moderator. And so especially if you're taking the IB exam, or if you're scheduled, right, to take the IB exam, you need to have your IA submitted. The IBO is expecting to still award IB diplomas and IB course certificates, but you have to have your IA in to be eligible for those things. So if you have not yet submitted yours, please do. And then I'm also going to be asked to submit predicted grades. And so I'll be working through those, looking at your scores on tests, quizzes, labs over the course of the last 2 years. I do expect to still teach you the quantum, nuclear, and particle physics. Obviously, we're not going to have an optics test. I know, you're bummed. But we'll see each other again April 28th at the soonest. And so we just need to work on moving forward. So let's go ahead and start with quantum, nuclear, and particle physics. We'll start with quantum. I'll try and post a couple lessons a couple days a week, and hopefully we can have like an office hours or something. I'll keep you in the loop, but please this week keep your eyes on the Google Classroom. Maybe set a notification to your phone when I post something, and that will be the easiest way for us all to get information to each other. So anyway, we're all kind of figuring this out. Teachers came back to school today and we had a meeting, but we're still waiting for how grades will look from the Oregon Department of Education. So please stay tuned, and I have a meeting with Mr. Bliss tomorrow about how IB stuff will be handled. But you'll know when I know. And we're just kind of trying to do our best with this. But I do hope that you're well. I do want you to stay engaged with thinking about science stuff, because science is kind of in the forefront of what's going on right now, and being informed about science we're seeing is really important. So again, it was good to talk to you guys. Hopefully we'll see each other via Google Hangout or something at some point, and I'll just let you know. Keep your eyes on the Google Classroom and shoot me an email if you have any questions. See you later.